What's up, good people? Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate your support. Happy New Month! So, apparently, this is gonna be the last video that I upload of me running errands in the CBD in Nairobi 2024. So, stick around till the end of the video. The video contains a lot. Yeah, I'll be running some errands, shopping some stuff, packing some stuff, picking some packages, and a lot also doing my hair. Yeah, so stick around till the end of the video not to miss any moment. Make sure you've subscribed to this channel and you hit the like button, and then I'll also need your review about my video in the comment section. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your support.
Ooh, you wanna come and get me, kick me down and make me hurt myself. Oh no, you will never forget me. I'm imprinted on your heart, I swear. At times you make me angry, but I know that it could always be worse, be worse, be worse. Baby, now I'm trying to forget you. Baby, I know everything that was about you. No, I'm joking, I'm looking for the bathroom. Round and round, yeah, round and round we go. Picture perfect, but so many flaws that stopped you. I don't wanna ever see you in the same room. I open up and then you hit on all my issues. Round and round we go, we go. Didn't think you would ever believe in me. Now I see your colors, now they're in my dreams. Do I need a touch or do I just need sleep? Cause I've been up for almost 3 weeks. Ooh, you think you got to me? All you did was use me. Round and round we go.
So, this is me packing shoes for my clients. Yeah. This is your sign for you to order a pair of shoes from me if you've not yet. Okay, so these shoes are gonna be being shipped to Qatar, and yeah, it's possible. So this is your sign to order a pair of shoes from me.
Baby, now I'm trying to forget you. Baby, I know everything that was about you. No, I'm joking, I'm looking for the bathroom. Round and round, yeah, round and round we go. Picture perfect, but so many flaws that stopped you. I don't wanna ever see you in the same room. I open up and then you hit on all my issues. Round and round we go, we go.
So in the middle of my errands, the rain decided to ambush me, but I had seen it coming. So I was ready with my umbrella. And yeah, the errands have to move on. The day has to move on because I only got today to finish all these things. So let's do this. Now this is me going to get my hair done. Security check up there. Yeah, I have to leave my luggage there, then pick it up when I come on this other side. If you know this place, you know Nairobi.
Yeah, I know we lost touch, but I'm still here. We were young, we were kids, it was something rare. I told you everything, but when it all burned down and you were left with nothing, did you question God or did you see it coming? Come on, oh come on, yeah. When it all burned down and you lost my number, or you couldn't even call, didn't know if you recovered or not. Come on. When it all burned down and you were left with nothing, did you question God or did you see it coming? Come on, come on. You were someone I trusted with all my heart. Always understood where I was coming from. You cared about me, but when it all burned down and you lost my number, or you couldn't even call, didn't know if you recovered or not. Come on, come and I didn't know if I would see you again. Oh.
I really love the service at this place because, okay, as you can see, I have two people doing my hair at the same time. Yeah, one person will be fixing the braids, the other one will be finishing in the braids. Therefore, you'll save time. Like, you'll spend less time at the salon trying to get your hair done because they don't waste any time. They want you to just be satisfied with your service and don't waste your time at their spa. Yeah, it's so efficient and so convenient for me. I really loved their service. You can also try them out, guys.
Where I was coming from, you cared about me, but when it all burned down and you lost my number, or you couldn't even call, didn't know if you recovered or not. Come on.
stylish. Look at the neatness, you guys. See how the partitions are crispy. I mean, it's worth your coins. I love the service, and I was very impressed. And mind you, the stylist is very gentle. Like while she's doing it, she's not making it so tight, so it's like easy to manage it. And yeah, it's a very nice. I love it.
Oh, did I lose you? I think I might have lost you. But when it all burned down and you were left with nothing, did you question God or did you see it coming? Come on, oh come on, yeah, come on.
Let me hear your review. Let me know what you think about my hairstyle. How did they do in a scale of like 1 to 10? How many would you give the salonist? Because honestly, she did her very best, and I would give it a 10 over 10. I mean, it's a very cutesy, very demure, very mindful. Finally, my favorite part of every vlog, it's feeding time. Yo, I enjoyed my meal. It was nice. And yeah, that was it, guys, for today's video. Thank you so much for watching until this far. I really don't take it for granted. I appreciate your support. Stay blessed and have a nice time, and order your shoes from me. Thank you so much. See you on my next one. Bye.